That's my food today.
Okay, the enchilada is done.
I want to walkie-talkie. 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 I want to walkie-talkie.
That's not how the song goes.
It goes like, I want to walk it. Like a talkie. What? I want to walkie-talkie. Walkie-talkie.
Hey everyone, we are going to start a new series. It's cooking, it's meals. Say hello. So we'll see how this goes this first go around, but we're gonna make quinoa enchilada casserole. This recipe is actually one of my favorites, and this recipe is something that I found off Pinterest. Actually, my sister-in-law did. Loved it. It was so good. You can make this literally like a few days ahead. Keep it in your casserole dish and then put it in the oven. We're gonna make 1 cup of quinoa. And so to cook quinoa, it's really easy. 1 cup of quinoa to 2 cups of water. While the quinoa is cooking, we are gonna put all the other ingredients into a little bowl. It's super easy and the kids are gonna help in this part, right? So we are going to take some green chilies, all of them inside the bowl. Rian, honey, put the corn in. And it calls for like half cup, but I just put them all in because honestly, all the veggies are good, so we can just put it all in. All right, and then we're gonna put the black beans. Everybody do it together, perfect. Black beans. Okay, so Mimi, then we're gonna do the red enchilada sauce.
I love enchilada sauce.
Good, and then Rian, we're gonna do the green enchilada sauce.
Oh yeah, it looks good.
Half teaspoon of chili powder, then half teaspoon of cumin. Take a little bit of salt each.
And take a little bit of pepper.
And a little bit of pepper. To taste. Okay. Then, this is the part that's yum yum. 2 tablespoons of freshly grated cilantro.
That looks good, Mom.
There you go. Perfect. Then, this is the fun part. We're gonna do cheddar cheese and mozzarella. About 3/4 cup of each. Good. Rian's going to mix this all together. See, it looks just like a nice little soup. Good job, Riri. This is what the quinoa should look like.
Can I see?
Yeah, you can come over here and see it. It basically just puffs up a little bit and it just gets nice and full. And you can tell it's done also when all the water has been evaporated. Now we're gonna mix that into the other mixture. Mimi's just mixing it over. You're going to plate it. We're gonna add some more cheese on top. Oh, right in the middle. Now we're gonna put a little bit of this and the mozzarella on top. You're picking at it when it hasn't even been put in. We're gonna put this in for about 30 minutes at 350 and it's gonna be all nice and gooey and cheesy, and serve it with some avocado and chippies. The enchilada is done. So this is what it looks like when it comes out. It's really delicious.
It's too good.
All right, so we are gonna go eat dinner now. I hope you enjoyed that little meal making session, right guys? This is what it looks like again, let's show it. There we go with the casserole, some chippies and avocado. Until next time guys, we hope you enjoyed this. Say bye.
Bye.